apartment. This is the website where you can see in detail the property. You can directly book from Ostrovok, and the destination you can choose as per your requirement. Here is the list of property. You can make an account here, and after that you can see that, and also book a multiple accommodation. And also Ostrovok gives multiple benefits: accommodation worldwide, compare prices, easily reservation, flexible payment, low prices, and 24/7 customer services. So it would be a good, because when you book the ticket from this platform, so you can get a lots of benefit.